E4 ublack reply ngo E5, right? Then ngizokukhombisa le gambit emnandi kabi. Then uzobe sewuphusha manje u-D4 attacking i-center. Ublack uzomdedela alidle le pawn bese uphinde umupha elenye ipawn futhi uthi C3 umuphe enye ipawn ayithathe ungathathi back keep ibishop attacking ipawn leliyana aphinde adle bese ukhane uthatha ngebishop manje uthathe ngebishop ipawn lakhe. Angazama la ukuthi alethe ibishop yakhe azothi check kuwena ku B4 ngebishop because ibishop yakhe attack lapha nale bishop yakho le iattack lapha wonke lamabishop amabili ase-attackile asethi usuwadevelopile, so iking yakhe anytime can be attacked. So uzozama ukuthatha ibishop azothi check kuwena ngebishop yakhe, uzovala nge-knight, uzothatha i-knight ku-B uyibeke lapha ku-D2 because le bishop yakhe ithi check bese uthatha i-knight wena uvale ngayo, right? Because le knight njengoba ilapha i-defend ipawn elise-center uzodlala i-knight naye to attack le pawn elise-center. That means le knight e-defende le pawn elise-center ayisakhona ukulidefend, uzodlala i-knight just to say mayeshaya i-knight yakho uzoyithatha back bese wena uzovela ukhasele. Yes, i-knight yakhe nebishop seku-attack-e i-piece yakho kusho ukuthi leya knight se-attack-wa amapiece amabili. Okufanele ukwenze wena ukuvela ukhasele la, uvele uthathe i-king yakho put it into castle, uyiyeke lamapiece akhe omabili a-attack ilokhuza yakho ukhasele. Mawukhasela then uzabe esebona ukuthi okay wena usukhaselile usafe iking yakho, i-knight yakhe is under attack, so uzofuna ukuzoshaya because already seka-up i-material, meaning sekukuningi alida ngakho, kodwa awuzukuthatha back, uzothatha irook wena uthi check wenzele ukuthi uphazamise ukukhasela kwakhe. Yes, uvele uyidlile i-knight angafuna ukuphindela emuva ngebishop because asikho isidingo sokuthi a-exchange ibishop yakhe because le knight noma ungayidla bese idlile yakho, so wena uzoyithatha nge-queen, forcing him ukuthi okay akakhasele, yabo. Mayekhasela uzocabanga ukuthi seka-safe but no, ukhaselile usafe but still sisesene-attack, sisalida kwi-attack because amapiece akhe awadevelopile. So sothatha irook soshaya ibishop, sacrifice irook manje ayithathe irook yakho nge-queen, then uzobe sewumuva manje u-attack-a, siqhubeka ne-attack, u-attack-e yona le queen ngerook. Sekumele i-queen yakhe imove because now i-queen yakhe is under attack and it's the only piece edevelopile. Uzofuna ukuthi enze exchange manje afake i-queen yakho phambi kweyakhe, uzomove i-queen uyibeke ku-G5, threatening u-checkmate lapha because ibishop yakho ne-queen u-threatenisha u-checkmate naleya bishop i-attack leya lokhuza le pawn eku-F5 angaphinda aswing i-queen forcing ukuthi buya phela si-exchange-ani. La into ozoyenza uzophinda umshaye ngenye futhi i-surprise oyenza la ukuthatha ibishop usacrifice ibishop manje ushaye ku-F7 check ngebishop. Uma edla ngerook edla ilokhuza usuthatha irook yakho uyifaka le ngemuva ku-back rank uthi check, forcing him ukuthi akabuyele emuva manje ngani ngerook, umphoqa ukuthi akabuyele emuva ngerook bese uthatha irook uyidla irook yakhe making an exchange. Kusho ukuthi ipiece asasele nayo iyodwa, so usesenenkinga yokuthi i-queen yethu ne-king yakhe kusaqondene, uzodla ngithi irook bene wena what you do usuthatha i-queen yakho ungena lapha ku-D8 and say check ku-D8 forcing ukuthi ziningi izinto ezangazenza angabuyela emuva noma angaphinda afake i-queen, angafaka i-queen ukuthi a-force exchange, awu-exchange but usuka lapho ususa i-queen uthatha ibishop, ushaye i-pawn uthi check ngebishop. La uma engathatha i-queen yakhe adla ibishop yakho kuzosho ukuthi uzoluza i-queen because uzobe usuthatha i-queen yakho udla i-queen, so leya bishop kusho ukuthi ayidleki. Into angazama ukuyenza manje ukumuva iking yakhe ayibeke ku-F7 angadli ibishop leliyana. Uzobe sewuthatha iqueen ngoba wenzela ukuthi uprotect iqueen yakhe ngeking. Uthatha iqueen uyibeka ku-F6 and say check. So kuyamphoqa manje ukuthi akabaleke aye lapha ku-G8. Usudonsa ibishop uyibeka ku-H6. Uforce ukuthi hey baba ngino-checkmate futhi enginawo lapha ku-G7. So kumele amuve iqueen yakhe ukuze akwazi ukudefenda leya nto leya i-checkmate oku-G7. Uzothatha iqueen ayibeke lapha ku-F7 protecting ukuthi okay awukwazi manje ukushaya u-checkmate and forcing ukuthi akube nolokhuza. Mawuthi check eseyivalelile iking yakhe sekumele alithi iqueen uyidle ngequeen yakho bewu-checkmate. Zama futhi nale kulona ukuwina ama-games ngale. Ngicela uqhubeke ni-like and-subscribe siqhubeka sifundisane nge-chess. I-chess ilula ku-YouTube Siphetho by Siphetho Mahongo, i-chess ilula. Siyabonga.